flat. Is this good news, if you like, from Syria kind of losing its impetus?
I think it's fair to say that we've had a pretty good relief rally over the last couple of days. Obviously, at this precise moment in time, military action is looking less likely, with the president saying that he'd prefer a diplomatic solution. There's also, of course, been some strong Chinese economic data over the last couple of days. Industrial output yesterday, something of a follow-through from Japan as well, of course, winning the Olympic bid. But I suspect, all things being equal, and if the Syrian situation continues to remain level, we're going to go back to concerns around the tapering or otherwise of QE.
In the UK, the big focus today, the big number, is the unemployment number. Unemployment rate expected to hold steady at 7.8%, still above Mark Carney and the BOE's 7% target. But how is that playing out in the market? I mean, we're getting down towards that 7% slowly but surely. Does the market still give Carney the benefit of the doubt, or not?
Yes, it's still early days in his tenure, of course, and he certainly is getting the benefit of the doubt at the moment. Slight disagreement in terms of when interest rates may begin to rise. Obviously, 2016 seems to be the forward guidance projection from the Bank of England. The market's pricing in 2015 at the moment. So it will be interesting to see how the unemployment rate, which is obviously fairly key to that forward guidance, how that figure comes in today.
Home builder Barratt today came out with full year results, profits up 74%, yet the shares are down today. Are we looking at froth in the housing market here?
Yes, I think you'll find there's a bit of profit taking. They've had an extremely strong run, as have most of the UK house builders, some more than others, such as Persimmon, for example, which has been able to pay down its debt at a fairly early stage. They're benefiting from a number of things, having bought land at cheaper prices during the financial crisis. Of course, of late, the government schemes such as Help to Buy, which has seen a fairly large spike in the amount of inquiries that the house builders are getting.
Verizon expected to sell a $45 to $49 billion bond deal today. That will be the largest corporate bond issue ever. If that's not froth, what is?
As ever, there's two ways of looking at that. The other way of looking at it, of course, is that the very fact that Verizon has been able to raise that sort of money, obviously to fund the Vodafone deal, and quite so quickly. Mobile telecoms has been very much in focus over the last week. Obviously, we've had Verizon and Vodafone, Microsoft, Nokia, launch of the smart watch from Samsung and Apple's announcement yesterday. So this particular industry is getting a lot of focus at the moment. There could yet be further consolidation to